Hello, young girls! Today I have something very special to share with you, Lolita style. First, let's take a look at the origins of the Lolita style. This style was born in Japan, inspired by the Victorian European clothing style. The Lolita style is characterized by long and fluffy dresses with a long hemline, often decorated with flounces, lace, and large ribbons. This style usually draws attention with pastel colors, floral patterns, and feminine details. There are several different subgenres of the Lolita style. These include classic Lolita, gothic Lolita, sweet Lolita, and punk Lolita. Each substyle is recognized by its own unique characteristics and aesthetics. You can share with me which style you are closer to. Let's continue our topic. In addition to Lolita style dresses, one of the important elements that complement this style is accessories. Big hats, ribbons, socks, gloves, and hair ornaments are among the indispensable parts of the Lolita style. Shoes are also very important in this style. High-heeled or platform shoes are generally preferred. I am taking a very small break from the video. I am a very new channel, and I love this job. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. There is a large community of Lolita clothing lovers around the world. These communities come together through meetups, events, and sharing on online platforms. And that's it! I hope this video helped you understand the Lolita style better. If you love this style or are just starting to explore it, don't forget to tell us about it in the comments. Be the best version of yourself!